हेलो दोस्तों, मैं डॉक्टर शाह सर। स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल डॉक्टर शाह केमिस्ट्री क्लासेस पर। दोस्तों, आज हम देखेंगे पॉलीमर 4 पार्ट, जिसमें हम सॉल्व करेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चन। वीडियो चालू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाइए ताकि आपको मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल के लेटेस्ट वीडियोस मिलते रहे। Question number 26. Which one of the following is used to make the non-sticky cookware? A. Polyethylene terephthalate, B. Polytetrafluoroethylene, C. PVC या D. Polystyrene. And the answer is B. Polytetrafluoroethylene. Question number 27. The bakelite is prepared by the reaction between A. Phenol and formaldehyde, B. Tetramethylene glycol, C. Urea and formaldehyde, D. Ethylene glycol. And the answer is A. Phenol and formaldehyde. Question number 28. Buna-S is a synthetic copolymer of A. Styrene and 1,3 butadiene, B. Styrene and ethylene, C. 1,3 butadiene and ethylene या D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Styrene and 1,3 butadiene. Question number 29. Melamine plastic crockery is a copolymer of A. Formaldehyde and melamine, B. Formaldehyde and ethylene, C. Melamine and ethylene or D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Formaldehyde and melamine. Question number 30. Bakelite is an example of A. Elastomer, B. Fiber, C. Thermoplastic या D. Thermosetting. And the answer is D. Thermosetting. Question number 31. Arrange the following polymer in an increasing order of intermolecular forces: fiber, plastic and elastomer. A. Elastomer is less than fiber is less than plastic. B. Elastomer is less than plastic is less than fiber. Plastic is less than elastomer is less than fiber, or D. Fiber is less than elastomer is less than plastic. And the answer is B. Elastomer is less than plastic is less than fiber. Question number 32. The years in Buna-S refer to A. Sulfur, B. Styrene, C. Sodium or D. Salicylate. And the answer is B. Styrene. Question number 33. Which of the following is not a characteristic of thermosetting polymer? A. Linear or slightly branched long chain polymer, B. Heavily branched or cross-linked polymer, C. Become infusible on molding, or D. Cannot be remolded or used on heating. The answer is A. Linear or slightly branched long chain polymer. Question number 34. Which of the following organic compound polymerize to form the polyester dichrome? A. Propylene and parahydroxyphenol, B. Benzoic acid and ethanol, C. Terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol या D. Benzoic acid and parahydroxyphenol. And the answer is C. Terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Question number 35. Nylon is an example of polyamide, polythene, polyester or polysaccharides. And the answer is polyamide. Question number 36. Which one of the following statement is not true? A. Buna-S is a copolymer of butadiene and styrene. B. Natural rubber is a 1,4 polymer of isoprene. C. In vulcanization, the formation of sulfur bridge between different chains make rubber harden and stronger. या D. Natural rubber has the trans configuration at every double bond. And the answer is D. Natural rubber has the trans configuration at every double bond. Question number 37. High density polymer is formed in the presence of catalyst: A. Peroxide, B. Ziegler-Natta catalyst, C. H2Ni, D. bromine Ni. And the answer is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Question number 38. Orlon is a substitute for plastic, substitute for paper, substitute for wool, or substitute for wood. And the answer is C. Substitute for wool. Question number 39. Novalac and Bakelite are those polymers which come under the category of A. Melamine formaldehyde polymer, phenol formaldehyde polymer, polyester, or polyamide. And the answer is phenol formaldehyde polymer. Question number 40. PHBV stand for A. Polybeta hydroxybutyrate valerate, B. Polyhydroxybutyrate valerate, C. Polybeta hydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate, or D. Polyalpha hydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. And the answer is C. Polybeta hydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. Question number 41. Which of the following monomer form biodegradable polymer? A. Glycine plus aminocaproic acid, B. caprolactam, C. 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypropanoic acid, or D. ethylene glycol plus phthalic acid. And the answer is glycine plus aminocaproic acid. Question number 42. A is used to make the cloth which is used in filtration of chemical. Here A stand to A. nylon, B. polyester, C. polyamide, or D. none of these. And the answer is B. polyester. Question number 43. Monomer of this polymer is A. 2-methyl propene, B. styrene, C. propylene, or D. ethene. And the answer is A. 2-methyl propene. Question number 44. The growth of the polymer chain during their synthesis depend on A. availability of monomer, B. type of monomer, C. temperature of reaction mixture, or D. none of the above. And the answer is A. availability of monomer. Question number 45. In an isoprene polymer, all the isoprene have A. cis 1,4 configuration, B. trans 1,4 configuration, C. both A and B, or D. none of the above. And the answer is cis 1,4 configuration, that is A. थैंक यू वेरी मच दोस्तों, और आप आज का दिन आपका शुभ हो। अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो मुझे व्हाट्सएप कीजिए इस नंबर पे 9028998807, और लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, बेल आइकॉन दबाइए और इसे शेयर कीजिए।